What's up, everybody? Got another little video on the C4. Got a few things. Matter of fact, 3 different things I'm going to put on it today. One of them I'm going to show you. I'll show you the second one as well, but there's really nothing to it but just snapping it on. And the third one is a window guide. I already have a video on that. Put that in there on the passenger side. The video I have is on the driver's side, but it's the same. So let's get started. I'll show you what we're working with here. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is replace this broken lock switch right here. So that's number one. That's right here. It's ordered from eBay, Vet Pros. It's just a 86 to 96 C4 power lock switch, new. Looks like that. See it? That's one. This is the other window guide. I haven't got it open yet. And the other thing we're going to add is the 84 through 96 C4 toggle top latch knob. It also came from Vet Pros. So see how it works out. And I'll show you the window guide once I open it up. So let me try to get y'all set up down here some type of way where y'all can see what's going on. I don't know if that's going to help y'all or not, but we got to work with there. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is pop this light out. Just pry down gentle from the top, like so. Should come out, and that light is going to be extremely hot, so I'm not going to touch it. Try to pop it out, and it just blew, I believe, which is fine because I have new ones to put in there as well, but they haven't gotten here yet. Next is there's 2 Phillips head screws. There's one behind the light, which is right there if you can see it. The second one is there. So we'll take those out. Actually, before I take those out, I'm going to pull this lock right here out, and you just pull on it and it pops out. Now we'll take the 2 Phillips out. Everything should come out of there nice and easy. Actually, no, there's one behind the lock here. Hopefully it'll come out when I pull. Quite sure what's holding it in there. There it goes. There's the screw. And these lights are a pain in the butt. But basically, you see on the back side of this one that I can't get a shot of, actually going to be I don't know what somebody's got going on here. Someone either has broken it, which looks like they have. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. It actually looks like they broke the housing right there, and it's got some type of wire holding it on. So let me find a socket that fits that, and I'll be right back. Alright, I believe it's a 7. Yep. Be careful with this, because I don't know what's going on with it. Looks like I'm going to have to order a new handle. Alright. So I got that contraption out they had on there. Now I'm going to separate the plug from the switch, maybe. Use my pick to get it off. Should unhook the battery, as you can see. Alright, so I went and got me a flathead screwdriver. Alright. So I got it out of the holder there. Now I just gotta try to get it out of here without breaking it. So it looks like this thing is disgustingly dirty too. Let me go clean this up and I'll bring it back. Alright, so I'm back. I went there and cleaned this up a little bit. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and comment. And speaking of comments, let me know if you can actually, if anybody knows if you can purchase this little switch holder right here, or do I gotta buy a whole new handle bezel. Just curious. I'm gonna do some research on it myself as well, but I'd like to hear what y'all got to say about it. Alright, let's get back to it. I don't know what happened to this switch right here, but it's totally disintegrated. So, alright. Well, we're going to snap this one back into place here. I don't know which way it should go. I sure didn't pay attention. But I think it went like that there. So if it went like that there, this goes like that, and this snaps on there like that. Back in place it goes. Now, I guess for now, I'll put whatever they had back on there, and see what happens. It may be more difficult than what it is. Alright, that nightmare's over. So let's get this thing back together here. And I always have trouble with this little lock thing here. Alright.
we go. Now, I am missing the screw that goes in here. Not quite sure what happened to it. I lost it somewhere off camera there, so I'll have to get another one for that. So, but this should hold it for right now. I'm not putting the light back in because I'm almost sure it's blown. I'll show it to you. But I shorted it out with that pick popping it out of there. So don't do that. And lastly, put your lock back on. Alright, so as you can see, it works now. I'm happy with that. Alright, so let's move on to the next item, the Targa top latch. Alright, get y'all set up here. Maybe y'all can see. Alright, so y'all can clearly see I'm missing it, which goes right there. And again, it's Vet Pros 84 to 80, sorry, 84 to 96 C4 Targa top. Get it open here. I'm not sure which way it goes on there. I'm assuming it goes probably like that. I'm assuming. Maybe it goes like that. Not sure, but that's all it does. Snaps on there. So if anybody knows which way that's supposed to face, leave that in the comments. Because I haven't had one on here since I've had the car. So I guess I'm going to go with it like that. Alright. Go to number 3 now. Alright, and this one I'm not going to show y'all. I've already done a video on it. But I will show you the guide itself. This is, I'm assuming it's part number 43628, 93 to 96. Door window guide, right front. It's not. I don't believe it's broken, but my driver's side was. So I ordered them both at the same time. So I'm just go ahead and put it on there, and that's all it is. Take the door panel off. Take the thin aluminum. I guess I don't know what you call it. Insert that's, I guess, holds the window regulator. Take that off. It's 110mm bolt holds it on. Actually, it goes like this. It slides. The glass slides in. 10mm bolt holds it on there. So that's all that is to that. And like I said, I'll put the link to it, to the video up. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, share, click the notification bell, all that good stuff. Thanks again. Hope this helps somebody.